Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, this has been a long time coming and a lot of you have been asking. It is finally here. It is the living room reveal and I'm super excited to share it with you. I know that it is not perfect. There's still a few tweaks and things that I wanted to change up, and I'm probably going to change along the way, but I still wanted to share it with you how far along I have come and how it looks. So anyway, I thought it would be fun to share it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And oh yeah, before I do the reveal, I also wanted to talk because a lot of you have asked me where I get some of my jewelry. And recently I bought a few pieces from this company called Ana Luisa. I got these beautiful necklaces. I got these 3 necklaces and these earrings. I just fell in love with the quality, the attention to detail. It's so good. So I had to share it with you. I actually got this one. The first necklace I got is this longer one and it has a horn pendant, and then the beautiful feminine chain here, and it has little balls. I just love it. I think it's so elegant and just beautiful. Then I went with the second layer here, and it is this gold pendant and it has a little diamond in the middle, which I love. It's so refined, it's so cute. After I went with a chain sort of choker. It has a little message, it says "Be You" on it in the front, which I love. I think that it's just a perfect message. What I love too is the little detailings that this necklace has. Where the clasp is, where you tie it, they put a tiny little diamond pendant in the back. Oh, it looks so pretty. When you find a company that is at an affordable price, the quality is beautiful, I just thought it was really important to share it with you guys because, I mean, good jewelry is hard to find. Oh yeah, and I also got these really cute earrings. They are gold with little diamonds, and one of them has a moon on it, and then the other one here has a star. I just think they're perfect. They're lightweight. I wear these every day. Ever since I got them, I have been wearing these pieces every single day. I just think they're the perfect little earrings with the moon and the stars. They're just representation of me, a little moon child at heart. So anyway, I wanted to share them. I ended up getting these pieces and I will link them all down below for you guys. But if you go check on their site, there's so many to choose from. There is necklaces and jewelry for every style. If it's not these ones, I'm sure you're gonna find something that you do love. So anyway, you guys are welcome and happy shopping. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Enjoy, guys. welcome. I'm gonna go piece by piece to share with you guys where I got the pieces and if I made some of them, or if I can find the exact pieces, I'm gonna link it down below for you. And if not, I'll find a similar one. So we're gonna start off with obviously my table. You guys saw me do a DIY. I got it at a wood place where they sell full of wood. And I made this and I'm super happy about this table. I loved how it turned out. I was actually looking for big oversized pieces for this coffee table. Then you guys also saw this bowl here. You might have noticed that it was a different color, and I actually got this at Winners. It was actually a charcoal color, and I decided to go ahead and paint it an ivory and just spruce it up and give it an old antique feel. And obviously you guys saw these beads that I did out of foam, and I just think it fits perfectly in this bowl. And obviously we had to put some books on the coffee table, so I got these books pretty much at a thrift store. I also found this beautiful quartz stone, and I got this at Marshall's. And of course I had to add a little bit of some vases with little flowers, and I added these from, I believe they were both thrifted at a thrift store. I also have gotten so many questions on this carpet, and you have all asked me, and I actually got this at Wayfair. It is, I believe, a 9 by 12, and I just fell in love with the tribal feel, the Aztec-y feel, and the colors were just perfect for what I was looking for. And they have neutral colors, it's soft, it's the terracotta rust color. I'm super happy about this purchase. Also, yes, I get a lot of questions on these poufs here, these little wicker seating things, and I actually got these at Marshall's. I just think that they blend perfectly with the table, and when I have people over and we don't have enough space on the couch, there's extra room to sit on those little wicker seating things. So this is a question you guys have asked over and over, and it is where I got my couch. I actually got this couch a few years ago. I had bought it at IKEA. It was one of those couches that you can, it's like a module where you can pretty much make it yourself. I made it look like this, and you can play around, you can change it up, move the pieces around. I just thought it was so cool that there was all these different pillows, because if you guys don't know me, I have an obsession with pillows. I can never have too many pillows on my couch. It's just one of those things. And some people like it more of the minimalist look and the more, toned down, but I mentioned to you guys that I love more is more in my home, and I just love displaying so many cool pieces, just making that your eye wants to go a little everywhere. It just describes who I am as a person. So I think it's important that you decorate your home on how you want to express yourself, right? So as much as I love a lot of things, I stay in the neutral tones. I love terracotta, rust, earthy tones. And I also wanted to keep my couch light and bright, so I went with the ivory. There's actually a few colors, but I know that this couch has actually been discontinued because I had gone back to IKEA and I wanted another piece to add another piece to it, and they were no longer available. But there is a similar one that I will link down below for you guys. But it comes in several different colors. I think it comes in a burgundy, I think a navy, and a beige as well. So, but I decided to go with the ivory. Most of these pillows that you guys are gonna see, I pretty much hand sewn myself. Some of them I got at Marshall's, Winners, so I'm gonna go through all the pillows with you guys if you're a pillow fan like me. So I'm gonna start off with the ones here. For my first pillow, this is actually one that I made myself. I hand sewed it. I actually got a throw, and then I cut it and I sewed it. So I was super happy. I find it just gives a little dimension to the pillows. It looks less flat. So then I went with this bad boy that you guys saw. I had gotten this at Marshall's. I thought that it tied perfectly with my black tiles that I'm still unsure whether or not I'm going to keep in the kitchen. Then I get a lot of questions on this one as well, where I got it. And I got this pillow actually a few years ago at IKEA. I just thought it fit perfectly in my home, and I was super happy about this one. Then we're going to go on to this one, and I actually made it too. I made this one and I added some tassels. I just wanted to give that linen feel to my couch so it feels, I don't know, just light and fresh. So I went with this one, but it had a boho twist with these tassels. Then I got this pillowcase and pillow at IKEA, And of course, with the leftover fabric, I did the other pillow, the other furry pillow. And then the last one here, I actually got at, I believe it was Winners. And then what's a couch without a throw? And so I went with this throw, and I actually got this one at Simon's. I'm sure it's still available because my mom wanted the same throw, and she went back online and actually found it. So I will link that down below for you. And before I forget, there was another little fuzzy fur that I actually got here. I actually found that one at the dollar store. So that was a great little find too, and I just thought it added a little bit of dimension on the corner of the pillow as well. So what I wanted to put on the wall, and I was very indecisive of what I wanted to go there. I could have put a mirror, I was thinking of maybe putting some artwork, but I just love the whole idea of being able to display my pieces that I've accumulated throughout the years, and I thought it would just tie this whole little area and create a little nook by adding some shelves in the back. Some people would think that it's a lot, but you guys know I love more is more. So I went with the bookshelf, and then I was able to just display my pieces that I've accumulated over years at thrift stores, travels, Winners, Marshalls, you name it, but pretty much all of these are thrifted. I love the look of it. I just think that it makes your eye go a little bit everywhere, and it's a representation of just what I love, and I couldn't be happier about my decision. When you first come in, there's a little corner here next to the window, and I wanted to fill it up. Obviously, I'm a plant mom. These are my plant babies. I don't have any kids, so these are all my babies. I wanted to keep them near the window. I just wanted to fill out this area, and I just didn't want it to be too much because there's a lot going on the wall. So I kept it a little bit more simple around everything, and I just went with my little plant babies and cactuses. So this is the little area here. So now if you guys move on to the next corner, you also saw this in my previous video. I had gotten this beautiful pot from Marshalls. I thought it fit perfectly in that corner with my beautiful plant. I love cactuses, I love tropical plants. Those are my favorites. They're my go-tos, and when I saw this one, I fell in love with it. It's just so beautiful. The leaves are huge. I love it. I just think it looks perfect there. And I also think that like plants are the perfect accent pieces to just add a little bit of greenery and life to your living space. So I'm super happy about this find. So yeah guys, this is pretty much my living room reveal. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next ones. I am going to be probably doing the dining room next. So I'm super excited about that. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Mwah.